For this build, these are the parts that I will be using. And this is the 2021 Subaru WRX STI model. I am planning to use the original plastic wheels, but may change them to rubber wheels later on. This is the 4-channel receiver from Radiolink. It has a built-in gyro. And this is a relatively cheap ESC bought from Banggood. It is only for 1 channel. The mini dual shaft motor. This is a 1.7 gram rotating servo. Here is the LiPo battery, 3.7 volts and 70 milliamp. It comes with a 2-pin JST plug. This is my chassis that I 3D designed and then 3D printed. These are the front steering knuckles. This is the front cross member where I designed so it could be fixed. And this is the rear motor mount. Now, I usually like to have front lights and rear lights, but for this case, I'll have to leave them out because the ESC only supports 1 channel. Okay, so I finally got everything soldered together, and it's actually a really simple. We just have the ESC here connecting to the motor, and it will deliver power to the 2nd channel, whereas the servo is on the 1st channel and the battery is on the 4th channel. So the 3rd channel is empty. And since I don't have the LED lights here, I'm able to detach the body completely from the chassis. So I am running these rubber wheels, which is really hard to put it into a drift or a spin, but it has a lot better traction. So it's been a long time since I've had these outside, so I thought I had my wife help me out so we can run these outside just to see how they are. Crash.